Welcome to the Roommate Handbook, Navigating College Living. Today's episode 18. The Roommate Handbook is all about a college rite of passage, living with a stranger. It's a crash course in communication, compromise, and conflict resolution, all within a 15 by 15 foot box. Today's burning question is, what is the most important tool for preventing roommate conflict? Is it A, list of rules taped to the wall, B, a strict chore schedule, C, direct and respectful communication, or D, never spending time in the same room? Take a moment to think about it. The answer is C, direct and respectful communication. While a written agreement is a good starting point, the ability to address issues directly and respectfully as they arise is the single most important skill for a successful living situation. Now let's review some key terms in laying down the coals. In today's story from the fire, Sarah, a night owl, and her roommate Emily, an early riser, faced tension over noise. After Emily initiated a conversation, they agreed on quiet hours, and Sarah used headphones after 11 p.m. This direct communication saved their living situation and strengthened their friendship. The heat map will show you where to focus your efforts for the most impact. Complete a roommate agreement together within the first week. Don't wait for problems to arise. Be proactive. Address small issues before they become big ones. A simple, "Hey, could you help me take out the trash?" is better than letting it overflow. Use I statements to express needs. I feel stressed when the room is messy, instead of, "You're such a slob." Let's talk about where you'll get burned. These are some common pitfalls. Letting annoyances build into resentment is how small problems become big ones. Speak up early and kindly. Don't complain to friends or your RA before talking to your roommate. Go direct first. It's more respectful and often solves the problem immediately. Finally, avoid making assumptions about your roommate's habits or intentions. Ask questions instead of making accusations. In today's Afterburn, here are some questions for you to reflect on. What are my top 3 living habit non-negotiables? How can I be the kind of roommate I would want to have? And what is our agreed-upon plan for handling disagreements? Now for the final burn. Remember, your roommate doesn't have to be your best friend, but they do have to be your partner in peace. Talk it out before you throw down.
If you enjoyed this clip, we'd love to have you join us. Tune in live every Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to be part of the conversation. All the info from our social channels to ways to watch is on our website, purehottakes.com. You can also find all our sources there. If you want to dig deeper into the research, thanks for tuning in.